Alright guys, today we're going to be cooking up a chicken fried steak burger. So drink a beer and let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start with our batter and our mixture to dip it in before you put it in the batter. So you want to whisk, and this is 2 cups of flour. Then we got 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, or teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it in there. We're going to whisk all this together. Alright, and then this is 1 cup of buttermilk, and we're going to add some spicy mustard to it, 1 tablespoon of spicy mustard, and 1 egg. And while you're getting all this stuff done, go ahead and heat your oil up. Alright, now we're going to add our cube steaks. The first thing is in the flour. Shake off any extra. And then to your buttermilk. Shake off any extra. And back to your flour mixture. You want to add that to your sheet and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Buns. Alright guys, so now it's time to build this thing. Go ahead and start out with some Sriracha Mayo on both buns. Then some lettuce. Country fried steak, pickles, smash the crown back on there. There you go, country fried burger. Alright guys, so remember, smash that like and subscribe button, leave us a comment, let us know how we're doing. Really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dig in. That is so damn good. Till next time.